But breaking right now, a second COVID-19 vaccine could soon be on its way. Hello there, I'm Mia Grady with your news at 5. An FDA advisory panel backed the Moderna vaccine just in the last hour, paving the way for a final FDA decision on emergency use. It comes at a critical time in the fight against the virus. The U.S. has now surpassed 17 million cases and more than 307,000 deaths. The second vaccine could be a game changer. Here's more about where things stand with it. Moderna's coronavirus vaccine could roll out as early as next week. It is the second vaccine designed to fight the virus.
It does not use products of animal or human origin, and it does not contain preservatives or adjuvants.
Officials with the drug maker made their case virtually today before an FDA panel examining the vaccine's safety and efficacy.
The vaccine efficacy rate for symptomatic COVID-19 infection was 94.1%. We also observed a dramatic reduction in severe cases.
The meeting comes after two healthcare workers in Alaska came down with allergic reactions to Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine.
We anticipate that there may be additional reports, which we will rapidly investigate.
Moderna says two allergic reactions during its trials were not related to the shot, and unlike Pfizer's, its vaccine would not require ultra-cold freezers for storage.
1, 2, 3.
Seniors at long-term health care facilities and frontline workers nationwide are receiving Pfizer's vaccine this week, and it turns out there are more doses of the vaccine than first thought.
The manufacturer, as we understand it, was trying to be particularly cautious. But what we've learned is that if you follow the manufacturer's directions very specifically, you actually have 6 full doses in each vial.
In Texas, a resident in Austin planted thousands of flags on his lawn, a grim reminder of each person who has lost their lives to COVID-19 in this state.